Hey guys, Vic here. In this video, I'm going to go over the one-time discount coupon feature. This is an advanced plan feature. And the way this is mainly used is when the reps are trying to close a sale, trying to close a deal with a customer, they can create a one-time coupon just for that customer in order to close that sale. So once you turn this feature on, you'll see the maximum discount that the rep can give. So you can adjust this. Since this cuts into your profit, we've even given the ability to give a commission just for this feature. So if you have by default 10% commission, but if a rep gives bigger discount, like a 30% discount, you want to reduce the commission so it doesn't cut into your profits. So once this is set up, you'll see that in the rep back office. So I'm logged in here on the front end as a rep. You'll see here that in the discount coupon, I see this. I can see all the coupons I've created in the past, the coupon code, the discount on it, and I see like the maximum discount I can give, like what commission I get.